Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Freakboy. So, I'm sorry for not posting when I said I was, but my friend needed to use the camera so he can use some, or do some filming. So, yeah, I'm sorry about that. So, let's get right today I am going to be doing how to do the fuel line. So, first of all, on the front, it's a little tricky to get to, but, since my car didn't really have any gas in it, didn't have a problem. When you're putting it back on, make sure you have that gasket right there. You don't want metal touching metal, and make sure you have some fuel clamps. So when we come to the back, I have put in a gasket, and you have this spot right here, and this one right here, and the one that I just showed you. I showed in the last video, but just to show again, it runs right here. This top one runs back here, runs through here, and then it runs through the top hole back there. And if you run it through the bottom hole, it'll run into the exhaust heater right here. So you don't want that. But it's going to be connecting up here down to there, and then that'll be it for the fuel line. And then next I am going to have to do the heater connection, which is right here, and then you got the cable here. And at the moment I am not exactly sure where the clips are, so I'm gonna have to search for those later. But once you get all of that figured out, you're gonna want a fuel filter, and I have the lines all cut up, measured for it, and I just need to put it in. But make sure you have some clamps, some more fuel clamps, or fuel line clamps. You want to make sure this is facing the right way. There are a couple spots, one right here, one right here, and I already showed you that one. So, and then what you do, once you get light in here, you can see the 2 points here and here. Make sure you have your clips, or whatever you may want to call them. I'm going to call them clips, but make sure you have those on. Alright, so I got those on. Filter. Oops, sorry about that. You know, just make sure it's on. It's all good. So, as you can see, I have everything connected in here. Now I just need to tighten it up. So I will be back when I get it all tightened up, and that'll be in a quick sec. I'm back. Got it all in tight. So once you get these tight enough, they shouldn't move on either area. So yeah, it's in tight. Gasket there. And I was just messing around with the cable right here. So it should be going like, it should be like this. I thought it might go like that, but that was wrong. Kind of difficult with one hand. It goes like this, and then there's a screw that goes through there, and yeah, it'll end up hooking up like that, and this runs all the way down into here next to the shifter, and this is how you can adjust it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe for more. Peace.